I am grateful for. First is God, second is family, third is education and good health, fourth is friends, fifth is peace of mind. First is God. I am grateful to God because He is the source of my strength, hope, and guidance, even when I feel lost or overwhelmed. I know He is always with me. I believe that every blessing I have comes from Him, and I trust His plans for my life. Second is family. I am thankful for my family because they are my foundation. They support me in everything I do, comfort me in hard times, and celebrate with me in my achievements. Their love keeps me strong, and their sacrifice inspired to do my best. The third is education and good health. I am grateful for both my education and good health. Being able to study and pursue my goals is a privilege that I do not take for granted. I am also thankful that I am physically and mentally healthy, which allows me to focus, learn, and perform well in school and life. The fourth is friends. I am thankful for my friends who make my days lighter and happier. They are always their lesson to cheer me up and make me laugh. The lastly is peace of mind. I am grateful for peace of mind and the middle of the stress, pressure, and responsibilities. Having a calm and clear mind helps me stay focused and balanced. It reminds me to breathe, let go of fear, and trust that everything will be okay. I realize that learning is not just about gaining knowledge, but also about growth as a person. Every challenge I face in my studies teach me patience, discipline, and perseverance. Studying is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Through my study journey, I have learned the value of hard work, time management, and discipline. There are many times I feel tired or unmotivated, but I remind myself of my goals, and that help me through to grow, not only in knowledge, but also in character. I learned to be patient with myself, to accept mistakes, and to keep improving.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For once so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us